Tonight, we are also hearing stories of recovery. The 100th COVID-19 patient was just released from St. Mary's Hospital. News 4's Alexis Zotos joins us live from Richmond Heights.
Corey, here at St. Mary's, there are 36 patients inside right now being treated for coronavirus. This hospital has seen doctors and nurses both fall victim to this virus. But the good news is that they are seeing more and more people recover and walk out the front doors. Cheers and smiles as the 100th COVID-19 patient is discharged from St. Mary's Hospital. This is Maurice Cooley. He's on his way to recovery.
It's been a ball game. I mean, it's like, I don't know if I was going to make it or not.
The 58-year-old St. Louis man first felt symptoms on April 9th. He came to the hospital but was able to go home. But 3 days ago, he couldn't breathe and was rushed to the ER.
My main thing with it was shortness of breath. I mean, if I coughed, man, I needed some oxygen or something. So it was just, and then the muscles from coughing, I think they were contracting and had my muscles in my chest sore, and that made it even worse.
Right now, there are 36 patients at St. Mary's being treated for coronavirus. A few weeks ago, that number was doubled.
Unfortunately, we have had several deaths, several people we could not save, but we have had several success stories as well. We have had patients who have been on the breathing machine for a couple of weeks who have turned around.
Maurice is heading home, but he's still not fully recovered.
Just being released from the hospital means your acute phase of illness is over, but you still have to be careful.
At 6'5", 300 pounds, he says he's as healthy as he can be. This is only his second time ever at the hospital, and he doesn't want others to underestimate this virus.
I just want everybody out there to be aware and to look out for yourself. That'd be the best thing I can tell you right now.
The numbers show signs of good news. Today, 659 patients are hospitalized at the 4 major hospital systems in the St. Louis area, down from 683 since yesterday. Over the last week, 343 patients across those hospitals have all been discharged, just like Maurice.
This has been very hard times for us, and moments like these give us the extra boost to go back out there, keep doing what we are doing.
And with the projected peak for our area still a few days away, these nurses and doctors aren't letting up. And Dr. Ankit Nahata says neither should any of us.
April of 25th is when we are expected to see the peak. So I think it is too early at this point, when we have not even seen the peak, to talk about lifting stay-at-home orders.
Again, just because Mr. Cooley is now home, he is not fully recovered. Doctors here tell us that he's in fact still in the contagious stage of this disease and will have to self-isolate until he is symptom-free. Reporting live, Alexis Zotos, News 4.